Hello everybody! It's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have a special product. It is Skilcraft 62% pine disinfectant detergent. Unfortunately, the label has seen better days, so not too much to see here, but I will leave the Skilcraft website or the AbilityOne website or both. So let's go over to the cloud cam and see what we can get into over here. Over at the cloud cam, as usual, 1/8 cup per gallon or 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, however you want to say it, it's all the same. That's a nice thick pine. Look at those thunderous clouds. Got some cumulonimbus going on there. And that's just solid white, almost instantaneously. This isn't a traditional pine scent, it's a strong pine, however it's kind of more of a medicinal scent. It's real similar to the, I think it was 19.9 Skilcraft that I used before. I will link that in the description to that video. It's got that same smell, it's just a lot more potent. So I think it will do a fine job. Let's go back over to the floor cam and get started with the work. And as usual, I will go over the floor twice, rinsing the mop out in this solution right here between the 2 rounds. And then after I'm done with the second round. So let's get started. Some nice hot water today with that new water heater. And here we go. And there is round 1. And let's start round 2. Round 2 is completed, and looks like that did a fine job. Go ahead and take a look at the water after. It did pick up quite a bit of dirt. The water's not as white as it was, so that did a fine job. This is a product where a little goes a long way. So yeah, this gallon bottle should last me a long time. Once again, Cleaning the floor with Skilcraft 62% disinfectant detergent. Thank you for watching.